So I got the JB Weld cylinder engine here and I grafted a Briggs lawnmower gas tank onto it. I don't know, it might have melted the cylinder. It was looking pretty orange coming out the exhaust there. Give her another little squirt to prime it there. Yeah, there was chunks JB coming out at me there. Well, it appears that the JB engine there launched the cylinder. It makes a squeaking noise when I pull it over now. Not doing it quite like it was, but a few minutes ago she must have been hot. Must have got hot, I guess. Was squeaking. So anyway, got a decent run out of it. I don't know if the camera recorded it or not. I'll have to review the various footage there, but at least once I put this 3.5 horse Briggs carburetor on it there, with my bashed up intake manifold and brackets there, it quite surprising it cooperated, though you did have to prime it every time. So anyway, thanks for your interest in this JB Weld cylinder project here. I don't know if you can see right in there. I tried to, last part of the video there, I tried to get the exhaust coming out there because it was shooting kind of flames out the exhaust and chunks of JB Weld and stuff. I had to kind of watch it there. Didn't have my safety glasses on and some of it was hitting me in the camera. So anyway, thanks again for your interest in this this unique project here.